A very good morning to all present. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Kumaon University, Nainital, Professor N.K. Joshi ji, our keynote speaker for the first session of this Impact Lecture Series, Professor Manu Sharma ji, Director, Innovation and Incubation Center, Kumaon University, Nainital, Uttarakhand, Dr. Sushma Tamta ma'am, Convener, Kumaon University Innovation and Incubation Center, Dr. Neelu Lodhial, all senior professors, dear students, my dear colleagues, and all the participants who are here with us for this Impact Lecture Series. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the first session of this Impact Lecture Series, which is being organized at Kumaon University Innovation and Incubation Center at Nainital, Uttarakhand. The Impact Lecture Series is supported by Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell and All India Council for Technical Education. Our first keynote speaker of this Impact Lecture Series is Professor Manu Sharma, Honorary Director, Center for Industry Institute Partnership Program, University Institute of Engineering and Technology, Punjab, Chandigarh, and he will be speaking on the topic how to do techno-entrepreneurship. Techno-entrepreneurship is the latest emerging field of entrepreneurship, and it is a highly potential area in the startup ecosystem. This upcoming field offers wide opportunity to tech-savvy youth and students who aspire to be budding entrepreneurs. New entrepreneurs can use technology to establish their business and also to achieve wide connectivity among co-workers and customers. I am sure that Professor Manu Sharma will enlighten us about the topic, and the participants will be highly benefited from his lecture. Our second keynote speaker for the session is Mr. Rajat Jain, founder and managing director, Sunfox Technologies, and he will be speaking about roller coaster journey of a student to startup. It is well known fact that entrepreneurs and startups are the driving force of the economy and contribute towards national progress. Startups increase innovation and create jobs. Many students aspire to be startups, but one needs to strive hard enough to realize his or her dream. A journey of a startup entrepreneur is all about working through failure and success. Mr. Rajat Jain will explain about this topic to us in detail, and I am sure that our participants will surely be benefited from his lecture. Thank you.